How to use your Nova Star Dossier. Page 1. The top of this page describes your role and responsibilities. The next section highlights the objective to keep in mind during this exercise. The lower half of the first page highlights important information on the company. On the right lower half of this page, you will find your department connections. These are the two other departments with whom you work most closely. There's also an overview of the reports in your file. These reports will be linked electronically or provided in your printed materials. They hold the big picture information important to your decision-making process. Finally, this page offers you a personal motivation for your role to succeed. On page 2 of your dossier, you will find an inter-office email. This will orient you to the problem for your department. The rest of the page and subsequent pages hold information that has some sort of data or useful information that will help you and your team develop a pitch for a new marketing campaign or strategy. On behalf of all of us at Nova Star, we are counting on you and can't wait to see what you come up with. Now is your time to shine.